So, hey y'all, today I'm going to show y'all what I do once a day. So now we're gonna wash the dishes. After washing the dishes, I'm going to make food for me and my two brothers. Time, so maybe I'll pause, and then when I pause, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do next. So now I'm going to make the food. Let's open the door for some sunlight. Oh my gosh, I need the keys. Hold on a second. Opening the door. Hello, Mixie. Hello. I'm not gonna touch him because I literally just washed my hands. There is finally sunlight. Got the pot out. Now we need the noodles. What flavor? I think I'm gonna do these ones. Oh my gosh, this thing. Oh, no way. The hot and spicy ones are here, but I'll do them another time. Oh, guys, and by the way, I'm also going to make some boiled eggs. But I don't think I'll make them because it's gonna take a long time, but let me make them. Put the water. Now it's time to make the noodles. I need eggs, sorry. Then we can put the eggs in. Put the eggs first, then put the hot water, put the hot water, and just do it. They are still cooking right now. I can guess which is which. Okay, here are the noodles. And here are the eggs. Let's eat some macaroni and yeah. Well, just me. I'll give my friend just beautiful. Here's macaroni. I don't know if it's the nuts. Oh, I'm going to put some sauce and then look at it. I'm going to continue. Okay, then I'm going to rinse. Oh, we need to the face. I think that's it today. I'll make a hot. I'm like it. I'm going to continue. I'm going to fancy this. Oh,